So now we are heating substances in direct flame. Our first substance is sand. So our next substance is sulfur. And our last substance is magnesium.
Put it lower.
We're heating the substances in the tube. So our first substance is potassium chlorate. I put 4 scoops in this tube, and if you can see, the tube is stoppered with a rubber stopper, and we have the glass insert inside. For this particular substance, it's very important that potassium chlorate doesn't come in contact with rubber stopper because it vigorously reacts with organic matter. So we put it in the hood a little away, and then so you can see it's melting. So now we have pH paper. Change.
There we go. There we go. All right, we're good.
So now we are heating ammonium carbonate. So now we are adding water to copper sulfate pentahydrate and our anhydrous copper sulfate that we got in the previous step. Copper sulfate pentahydrate looks like this, and anhydrous copper sulfate looks like this. It's completely white. So let's put 1 ml of deionized water in this one. And now let's add 1 ml of water to our anhydrous white copper sulfate. So now we are going to add ammonium hydroxide, 5 drops in each tube. So in this part we are adding acids to different metals. Now we have copper, a piece of copper in our tube, and we will be adding 6 molar hydrochloric acid that I pour in a little beaker. So I will add 1 ml of it. And we will watch what is happening for approximately 5 minutes. So 5 minutes are gone, and now I will take this piece of copper, rinse it with water, dry it on paper towel, and use it in another step. So now we are reusing the same piece of copper from the previous step, and we will be adding to it 6 molar nitric acid. We are adding 1 ml of nitric acid. Now we are adding 1 ml of hydrochloric acid, 6 molar, to a piece of zinc. Okay, so last experiment, we'll be combining 20 drops of iron-free chloride, that is actually the same that 1 ml. I'm adding 1 ml into our test tube with the same amount, 20 drops or 1 ml of potassium thiocyanate.